Okay. Good day, everyone. We're innovators, and we're here to present our business model using Lean Canvas template. I'm Navalta Ivan Judpi.
I'm Baltasar G.
I'm Rios Portanato D, and we are innovators.
Next.
This is the whole business model or the lean canvas.
Next. Problem. Our problem is, or the problem that we found is fear of low score on exam, too much pop-ups on information sites, unreliable information source. Ex- Existing alternatives. Finding information in some search engine for a long period of time, using what you have learned in the past mistakes. Our solution is design a software that can accommodate student concerns, needs, gives reliable information in a very accessible way. Next. Key metrics. This is our, um, we can use this to track our success by number of application download and number of additional feature subscriber. That's it.
Next. So in cost on structure, this is people cost, developing updates of features, and advertising. Advertising. So dito, balik mo na. Yan.
Sorry.
Dito namin inaano yung nakukuha naming gastos na pag mag-upgrade kami ng aming app. Next. Unique value proposition. Lessen time searching for information, minimizing effort to reliable ano?
Reliable.
Reliable source. Inclined toward to a very bright future. So, in unique value proposition, inaano namin na mas mapabilis sa kanila yung pag-search, paggamit ng aming application. So, yung quiz tester app leans towards a very accessible way of learning and giving reliable information.
Reliable.
Next.
Ikaw na.
Unfair advantage. Our unfair advantage is very convenient and always ready in your hand. Our application is always in your phone, so when you need it, you can use your phone and to use our application. Customer segment. Our customer segment is our students out of schools, youth who wants to learn. Early adopters, people who's eager to learn, professor and other people who wants to entertain. Channel and revenue streams. Our channels is online advertisements, social media, word of mouth, and our revenue streams is in-app purchase. That's all. Thank you.